Imagine it's your birthday. Your phone is full of messages in English, and all you can write back is thank you. Let's fix that today.
Or your coworker asks, "So, how did you celebrate?" And your brain goes blank. No more silence. After this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say.
Now we can say hello. Welcome back to English Daily Lessons. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. We're here to help you talk about real life in simple, natural English. And birthdays are a big part of real life.
Today you'll learn how to say when your birthday is, how you celebrate, how to talk about birthday feelings, excited, disappointed, surprised, and the most useful birthday vocabulary.
And we'll finish with a fun practice and a question of the day, so you can write about your birthday in the comments.
So, Charlie, when is your birthday?
Mine is on November 3rd. It's in autumn, so usually it's cold and dark outside, but warm and noisy inside. My family loves birthday parties.
I like that. My birthday is on April 18th in spring. I usually feel very relaxed on my birthday. Fresh weather, flowers, and of course, cake.
Whatever the month, birthdays are full of feelings. Happy, excited, maybe even nervous or a bit sad. We're going to give you the words to describe all of that in English.
Stay with us because in a moment we'll show you simple sentences you can use to describe your birthday and how you feel about it.
And before we go deeper, if you enjoy learning with us here at English Daily Lessons, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep making these free lessons for you.
Thank you. All right, let's talk about birthday feelings and birthday basics. Let's start with some positive feelings we use for birthdays. First word, happy. I feel happy today. It's my birthday.
Two nice synonyms, glad and cheerful. I'm really glad we can celebrate together. Everyone was so cheerful at the party.
Another big one, excited. This is strong, happy energy. I'm excited for my birthday party tonight. You can also say looking forward to. I'm really looking forward to my birthday.
Now some negative or difficult feelings that sometimes come with birthdays. Nervous. I'm a bit nervous about my surprise party. Tired. I feel tired after my birthday. It was a long night. And sometimes lonely. I felt lonely on my birthday because my family was far away.
We also have mixed feelings, good and bad together. For example, grateful but tired. I'm grateful for all the messages, but I'm tired of my phone. Or happy but stressed. I'm happy it's my birthday, but planning a party is stressful.
And finally, some strong feelings you might use. Thrilled, very, very happy. I was thrilled with my birthday gift. Disappointed, sad because something was not as you hoped. I was a little disappointed because my friend forgot my birthday. Touched, pleasantly emotional. I was really touched by your card.
Nice. Now we also need basic birthday sentences. Repeat in your head as you listen. My birthday is on April 18th. I usually celebrate with my family. I like to have a small dinner at home. This year, I want to do something different for my birthday.
In a second, we'll play a little feelings game with birthday situations so you can try these words. Stay with us.
All right, let's make this interactive. I'll describe a birthday situation. You at home try to think of the feeling word, and then Sarah will answer.
You can even say your answer out loud. It's good speaking practice.
Situation 1. You wake up and see 50 happy birthday messages on your phone from friends and family. How do you feel?
I feel happy and grateful, maybe a little excited for the day.
Situation 2. Your friend said they would come to your birthday dinner, but they don't come and they don't send a message. How do you feel?
I feel disappointed and maybe a little sad.
Situation 3. You thought you were going to a normal dinner, but when you open the door, all your friends shout, "Happy birthday!" It's a secret party.
I feel shocked and surprised, and then thrilled.
Situation 4. You don't have a big party. You stay home, eat your favorite food, watch a nice movie. It's quiet.
I feel relaxed and content. That means calm and happy, not too excited.
Situation 5. You are turning 30, 40, 50, a big age. You are happy, but also thinking a lot about life.
I feel mixed, happy, a little nervous, maybe a bit thoughtful.
How many did you guess? In a moment, we'll look at important birthday vocabulary like celebrate, invite, surprise, tradition, wish, and more, with easy examples.
These words will help you answer questions like, how do you celebrate your birthday, like a natural speaker?
Let's learn 6 very useful words for talking about birthdays. 1. Celebrate. Celebrate means do something special for a happy event.
For example, I usually celebrate my birthday at home with my family, or we're going out to celebrate my friend's 21st birthday.
2. Invite or guest.
Invite is the verb. You ask someone to come. I want to invite 10 friends to my party.
The people who come are your guests. For my last birthday, I had 8 guests at my house. 3. Tradition.
A tradition is something you do every year in the same way. It's our family tradition to eat pancakes for breakfast on birthdays.
In my country, a birthday song before cake is very traditional.
Number 4. Surprise.
A surprise is something you don't expect.
My friends gave me a surprise party.
I was really surprised when my sister visited me on my birthday.
Number 5. Wish.
A wish is something you hope for.
Make a wish and blow out the candles.
My birthday wish is for good health.
Number 6. Blow out.
To blow out means to make the candles stop burning with your breath.
There were 25 candles on my cake, and I blew them all out in one breath.
Don't forget to make a wish before you blow out the candles.
These words celebrate, invite, guest, tradition, surprise, wish, blow out will help you describe almost any birthday story.
In a moment, we'll do a quick recap and give you our question of the day so you can practice in the comments.
Some soft background music fades in. Let's quickly review what you learned today.
First, we talked about birthday feelings.
Positive, happy, glad, cheerful, excited, grateful.
Negative, sad, lonely, nervous, tired.
Mixed or strong, thrilled, disappointed, touched, content.
We practiced simple sentences like, my birthday is on November 3rd.
My birthday is on November 3rd. I usually celebrate with my family. I had a small party at home. I was surprised by my friends.
We played a little feelings game, and you learned 6 key words.
Celebrate, invite, guest, tradition, surprise, wish, blow out.
Now it's your turn. Here is our question of the day.
What is your favorite birthday memory?
You can answer like this. My favorite birthday memory is... Or, one birthday I will never forget is when...
Try to use at least one word from today. Maybe celebrate, excited, surprised, wish, or tradition. Write your answer in the comments. We really do read them, and it's fantastic writing practice.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons. It tells YouTube, hey, this is helpful for English learners.
For your next step, watch our other video, How to Talk About Your Weekend in English. It's perfect after this one, because you can say, last weekend was my birthday.
You'll see it on the end screen. Just click and keep practicing with us.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. And whenever your birthday is,
we wish you a very happy birthday and lots of good English conversations.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.